Alright, so let's quickly test a new synth called Vital. It's free. You can go to vital.audio and pick it up over there. I have one of my melodic deep pack templates loaded here. It's called Twisted. And let's just load up Vital and replace a couple of sounds. So I'm replacing this main pad sound. I already have it installed. It was easy. Just download it, register an account. It's free, and then you can use it. It's available for Mac and also Windows and something else as well. By the way, I forgot which other platform. Init patch. So it pretty much looks like Serum, kind of upside down, or well, turned around by 90 degrees, kind of. Here's our oscillators. We have 3 of them and some sample kind of thing here. And we have 2 filters, some envelopes, 3 of them, 4 LFOs and some other stuff here, and then glide and those kinds of things. Seems to be a bit quieter. Okay, so how does that work? LFO, drag it on here. Okay, that already reacts. I can set tempo, seconds dotted, triplets. Let's take dotted. A lot of resonance on that one. Is that, yeah. Filter is analog minus 12 decibels per octave. Let's go to 24. Doesn't sound too bad, so let's keep that and play it instead of this one. Okay, let's replace something else, the bass. Let's drag it on here. That looks like Serum. Is that? Oh yeah, and then you can tweak your wavetables here. You probably can also insert a formula or something. Where do I go to? Basic shapes. Okay, you even have those. Oh yeah, so that's how I move through the wavetable positions. Well, there we go. Let's just put a filter on top. Okay, let's keep it like that. And let's check out those leads. Let's actually check out some presets. This on top and lead. Those presets are super new. Well, the last version of them was saved just a few days ago. Let's pick up this one here. Okay, but you're reacting a bit slow. Is that amplifier envelope? Yeah, and always glide. That's just like Serum here. It's also in the bottom right corner. Okay, nice. It's just a little beepy. So those effects are also ordered the way they're ordered in Serum, kind of. You can probably also, yeah, switch positions here. So we have EQ here. Oh, it's already active. Ah, it's boosting those frequencies. I actually want to turn them down a notch here. Cool. Let's actually check out some more pad sounds on it. Let's use this track. Presets, pads. Super nice pluck in the pads. Okay, Mr. Bill. Oh. So most of these seem to be heavily processed already, so whenever you're having that, you need to turn those off in your chain here. Otherwise you're just stacking reverbs with different shapes and spaces on top of each other. Yeah, and sound isn't bad. Something's a bit flatter than you'd expect, but it's also kind of nice when you're working with those rich synths and then you need something to fill up your mix. You could maybe use such a pad sound as well. What's this? Pluck. Let's replace this one as well. So, do we have pluck sounds? No pluck sounds. Keys? Yeah, super pluck. It's very sharp. Thank you, false noise. Oh, that's how you go through the envelope here. 3D. Is that where this noise thingy is coming from? Let's turn off this chorus quickly. And there's another chorus here in the effects. Ah, okay. So we need the plug much shorter. What's that? These are controlling lots of different things here. And let's actually disconnect them all and see what happens. Ah. Okay, so it's in that waveform somehow. Basic shapes. There you go. Okay, stay there. Not bad. Not a bad synth, considering like this thing is free. I don't know what their business model is, but maybe they are giving away the free synth, and then you can pay for presets or something like that. Might work as well. Or maybe it's just an introductory offer. I haven't really read anything about it. So here's a little session, just replacing some sounds and messing around with it. It looks a lot like Serum. Doesn't sound like Serum, but seems easy to use. Not sure how many of them I can stack, and CPU will still be fine. But yeah, you can check it out yourself. Go to vital.audio and mess around with it, and see you in the next one.